The effects of marijuana. The effects of marijuana in the nervous system. Brain function depends on complex interplay of chemicals known as neurotransmitters that act as carriers of information between cells called neurons. THC, which is the main active ingredient in marijuana, acts on cannabinoid receptors which are found on neurons in many places of the brain. These brain areas are involved in memory, the hippocampus; concentration, cerebral cortex; perception, sensory portions of the cerebral cortex; and movement, the cerebellum, substantia nigra, globus pallidus. When THC activates cannabinoid receptors, it interferes with the normal function of these brain areas. Short and long-term effects of marijuana. Short-term effects. Immediate effects of smoking marijuana may include altered senses, altered sense of time, changes in mood, impaired body movement, difficulty with thinking and problem solving, and impaired memory. Long-term effects. According to the National Institute for Drug Abuse, marijuana smoke can cause many of the same respiratory problems experienced by tobacco smokers, such as increased daily cough and phlegm production, more frequent acute chest illness such as bronchitis, and a greater instance of lung infections. A 2013 study by Dr. Tashkin, UCLA professor of pulmonary and critical care medicine, proved that even those who are heavy marijuana users do not appear to be at greater risk for lung cancer. Marijuana use by adolescents. Marijuana abuse during adolescence may produce enduring changes in brain function, particularly in the individuals at a greater risk for developing psychiatric disorders. When marijuana users begin using as teenagers, the drug may reduce thinking, memory, and learning functions, and affects how the brain builds connection between the areas necessary for these functions. Marijuana's effects on these abilities may last a long time or even be permanent. A study showed that people who started smoking marijuana heavily in their teens and had an ongoing cannabis use lost an average of 8 IQ points between ages 13 and 38. The lost mental abilities did not fully return in those who quit marijuana as adults. In contrast, those who started smoking marijuana as adults did not show notable IQ declines. Meyer, 2012.
Created using PowToon.